How we looking? We looking proper?
Right.
We looking proper, guys. We looking proper. My foodie family, we are in the yard with Chef Jeremy for some good steamed fish. And today, we're cooking with curds. So, Chef, we in the yard.
All right.
We doing this thing right.
All right. So today we have some red fish.
Uh-huh.
Right. We're gonna season it up first so you
Okay.
can marinate a little bit.
Okay.
Right. All local seasoning: pimento, celery, thyme, chadon, beni, chive.
A whole spread.
A whole spread, black
Right,
pepper
right.
and lemon pepper.
Okay. So,
Right.
what you need first?
You can pass me all the herbs.
So, just sprinkle that.
Yep.
Chef, I really loving your enamel cups, you know.
Yeah, boy.
They're cute. They're cute.
Thank you. All right. You can put the chadon, beni, chive, and the thyme.
So, I could just dump this whole thing in?
No. Use your hands.
Okay. Sorry. I just wanted to help you.
That's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah.
All right.
Some chive and some thyme.
Got it. Need some more chive there?
No, that's good.
Real seasoning.
Right. We can add a little oil.
Okay, sure. A little something.
Nice.
All right.
You're getting good, man. You're a chef.
I mean, you taught me, so I
Oh,
know.
okay.
Right.
The lemon. When you're gonna add the dry seasonings now.
Okay.
The lemon pepper, black pepper,
Okay.
paprika,
Sure.
and cayenne.
You just tell me when, my friend.
Right.
How you feel?
Nice.
Nice.
I
We
like
coming
that.
in with the black pepper.
The black pepper, right? Just a spoon.
Just the one spoon?
Yes, 1 spoon. Oops.
Oh God, half the black pepper outside. Sorry.
Right. And you can add all of the paprika and all of the cayenne.
All right, sure. Now we are getting in there with some serious seasonings.
Yep. Nice. So I will do the mix up.
Yes, please. After you. And what kind of fish is this again?
Red fish.
Some red fish. So this is your favorite fish for steaming?
It's my one of the fishes that I like, but you can use any kind of fish that you fancy.
Okay.
You know, we could use kingfish, carrot, you know, whichever one you prefer.
Okay. Well, I'm going with your recommendation today.
All right. And I kind of get the seasonings in there,
Okay.
you know,
So we're making sure that this is done through and through.
through and through, yeah.
Well, if we in the yard, we have to do it properly. We can't miss no steps in here.
All right.
Gotcha.
So we're gonna set this aside.
Sure. So let me just pull this back here for you. I will make some space here. You don't worry about that. let me push these here because I know you need these guys now.
Yeah. Right. So what we're gonna do?
Yes.
We're gonna steam the fish on our coal pot.
Okay.
So we're gonna steam it with a little. Wrap the fish in our singed fig leaf
Okay.
and foil.
Okay.
So we're gonna singe the fig leaf first.
And how are we doing that, my friend?
Singeing the fig leaf is just to pass it on heat.
Okay.
Right now, you don't want to burn the fig leaf. You see how it change?
I see. And why is this important?
This is to add, the singeing is to make the fig leaf a little more user friendly.
Right,
Because
right.
it'll actually break easy if you don't singe it.
Okay.
The fig leaf also adds flavor to the fish.
Got it. So you went in here and pulled these two fig leaves?
Yep.
This is authentic. This is authentic cooking. I like it.
Make sure we get a nice singe in there.
And make sure not to burn, you said.
Not to burn.
Got it. How we looking? We looking proper?
Right.
We looking proper, guys. We looking proper. So now we have our fig leaf.
Fig leaf, yeah. We just want to cut off the stem,
Okay.
because we're not using the stem. So I think we have enough singed fig leaf there.
Right.
Now we're going to use the foil.
Okay.
The foil
So you
we'll
need
do.
these guys.
All right, these guys.
So you just need the one sheet for now?
One sheet for now.
No problem. There you go.
And we're going to take our singed leaf. You can the fish.
Certainly.
Two.
Oh, two.
And now we're going to add our carrots. And you must add your veggies in there, you know.
Right. Oh, this is a full meal? One time?
One time. Our peppers.
And of course, we eat with colors in this,
Yep.
this kitchen. We eat with colors. So nice.
And our lime. Fresh lime. Sorry. onions and
You
then the
forget
lime.
all the
Yeah,
onions. You're trying to leave out all the good stuff in this, and I don't like that. Don't forget.
My apologies.
It's okay. And that completes what goes into
what
the foil.
goes into the foil. Yeah.
Got it.
Right, now we're going to try to wrap.
Let me see this technique now. Yeah, I was going to suggest that, Chef, but I didn't want to fight you.
We get a good seal in there,
Right?
so it steams properly.
Make sure that it's tight.
Tight, yeah.
Got it. And press down. And then from here we go directly
on
onto
the coal pot. Yep.
Got it. And so how long do we let this guy hang out for?
Right, so him, we can leave him for about 30 minutes and it should be fine.
And we don't need to check it, we don't need to open
Nope.
it, nothing like that?
Yep.
All right, well, let's wrap up the other ones and get this going.
All right, so we just took the fish of the coal pot. Right, we're going to check it to see. We're going to have a taste, have a look. Right.
Smells good. Guys, you don't know, but I actually met Jeremy the first time as the captain of the national culinary team. Yes, we have a national culinary team and they've been doing amazing things.
Yep.
So you know your way around the kitchen
Yes, I do.
and around the fish.
Yes, I do.
Where did you actually go to school?
Right, when I went to school at TTHCI, I wouldn't say how long ago to give away my age.
Don't show your age. Don't show your age.
Right, after that, I jumped into the industry. I worked a couple of restaurants, couple of hotels. I found myself on the culinary team. I've been part of the culinary team. One of the stars. I've been part of the culinary team since 2009.
Yeah.
We have won. Most people don't know that Trinidad and Tobago is a culinary team. Right, it's something that, as I would like to say, one of our best kept secrets.
Yeah, an exceptional team. I mean, the achievements of this squad.
Yeah, we at Trinidad and Tobago is actually the only country to win gold medal and team of the year 7 times.
Guys, we haven't sang.
Trinidad and Tobago has been performing very well as a culinary team. You know, I think that culinary is something that we have a lot to offer.
Okay.
Here, you know.
I believe you, and I would believe you more when I taste your handiwork. Look at the steam coming off of this bad boy. Beautiful. I love all the colors that we see here. I love all the smells that we're getting. I like it, I like it. Are you pleased with your work,
yes,
sir?
Yes, I am.
So, it's that time now?
Yep.
It's
You go
that
first,
time
ladies
to
first.
say, ladies first. Where could go in?
You can take from here, so.
The
nice part. Yeah.
I find, but I kind of like this boy in the back here, you know. I want to take from the back here. And I want to get a little piece of the veg to go with it as well. Look at it. My veggie's gone, but that's okay.
We steam.
Succulent.
Hot.
Hot for sure. Hot for sure, guys. But so yummy. I love how bright and fresh all the ingredients are. I love how delicate the fish is. Amazing, amazing. I love it. Thank you very much for this in the yard classic. I mean, what are we serving this with?
I don't know, whatever you like.
We eating this alone? I could do this alone, you know. You could have this foil that we already started on. I'll take this nice wrapped up one. So guys, be sure to check out Chef Jeremy at JL_restaurant consultant on Instagram. And of course, for this amazing steamed fish recipe, check out the Courts Cookout. It's all there. All the instructions, all the details. And be sure to, when you try it, do it in your yard and tell us. We love hearing from you. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.